Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and give me a try. My name is Di. I am here at Creative Calm Design. Today I'm going to share with you my budget update. Now, it's not a life budget. This is my crafting and planner and paper crafting budget. At the beginning of the year, I decided that I was going to put myself on a budget. And if you've not seen these videos before, I do have a series of them. But I created this page. The plan was $25 a quarter for planner supplies, $25 a quarter for craft supplies, and anything non-plannery. And I've already gone over budget, not by a lot, but I'm already over budget. And the other thing that I wanted to do was sell some of my fitness stuff, and then that would get funneled into my crafting budget as an incentive to get stuff out of my house, declutter, and then I could bring stuff into my house that was fun and crafty. But how have I been doing for August? Good news. I have spent $0 in August. Now, I will say that is mostly because I didn't go anywhere. I basically didn't go out, like shopping or whatever, for like, what are we now, 12 days at this point? It's the second today, it's 12 days, because Cosmo had his surgery. So I didn't get to go to Hobby Lobby, I didn't get to go anywhere. So I have spent nothing. Now, you might be thinking, then what the hell is the budget update going to be? Each month, I also share with you what I use each month as an incentive again to myself. It's just a game that I play with myself. Each time I use a product or anything like that, I put it in here. And you might notice again, this is very sparse as well, because again, I've spent, what is it, like 12 days at this point, just looking after my dogs. And I just haven't done a lot. I haven't done a lot of crafting. I haven't done a lot of planning. So I'm hoping, this will be a very short video, but I'm hoping that next month will be a lot more stickers in here because I need to use stuff. So let's see what we've used. I will say, I've used this pen, but I've used another one of these as well because it leaked. This one's just got no ink left. The other one leaked, and the whole end just, and I was like, I'm not saving that to show you. This one's dead. And this is the other thing I'm going to say. You know when I said I had in a lot of these pens, and I looked for this size, and I have one. I have one of this size. So if I see some of these in this size, this is my favorite size. I've got the 1.0, the 0.7, the 0.5, and I've got the 0.38. And this is one of my favorites, is the 0.5. It's just a nice in-between size. So if I can find some more of these, they're easier to find than the 0.38 as well. If I can find some more of these, I will be buying some more. So let's see how many pages we used. I will also say, it's not in here, but I did use a roll of washi tape. I don't know what I did with it, but I did use a roll of washi tape. It was one of the thin ones. It was one of the thin ones. It was the gold thin one. And I've used all of that. That has died. That is done. I don't have any left. But yeah, I don't have a lot of pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we'll call that 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, oh, there's the washi, 15, 16, 17, let's call that 18, 19 sheets. 19 sheets, and then we start fresh for September. These sheets are the ones that are for the clear stickers. The clear stickers, I save these and then I put them in my Create Your Own sticker book. And these come in handy for other projects. Now it doesn't have a hole, you can just punch one. So that is my budget update for August. Again, I didn't buy anything. And I might just make a note. Okay, Again, I do want to buy some stuff here for a project that I have coming up, December Daily with Ali Edwards. That is my update for my budget. Short and sweet, but basically I didn't buy anything because I didn't go anywhere, which I guess is a good thing, but also losing my mind. So yeah, let me know how you're doing. Did you buy anything in the fall release for Happy Planner? I didn't buy anything. I probably won't be buying anything unless, again, I see it on sale somewhere or on clearance. But yeah, I didn't buy anything. I have no business buying any planners. So yeah, I am just going to carrying on the Planner Stash Challenge and the Stash Busting Challenge. So that's my update. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you're doing well. And yeah, if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals.